My week of the month is kindness. I've been in a few classrooms and we've been talking about what it means to be kind to others, be kind to ourselves, and we're going to give you some examples today of what that might look like while we're here at Prairie Winds. Say good afternoon, Dr. Summers. But Dr. Summers is on the buddy bench. So, will you please have a seat right over here?
Hello.
Now, Prairie Winds Hawks, it is kind of silly to watch that, but how does it make you feel when you're the one on the buddy bench and that happens? It does not feel great. So, your 6th grade pay kids are going to show you the right way, the kind way to handle this. Eyes on them.
Look, Dr. Summers sitting quiet all by himself. We should go invite him to play. Yeah. Do you want to come play with us?
Sure. So the focus of the assembly was kindness. Can you guys all wave to say thank you to Mrs. Weaver and Mrs. Dukes for putting that on? All right. And we're sitting quiet and touch your head. Go. All right. And can you guys wave like a really big thank you to Dr. Summers and Mrs. Upchurch for coming? All right. It's time to go.